Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In a world of seamless connectivity, the 4G SIM card router keeps us connected at all times. At its core, it's a precision-designed PCB that ensures stable and efficient operation of the device. First of all, PCB serves as a carrier for electronic components, precisely connecting various electronic components together to form an efficient circuit system. It is usually made of insulating material with a conductive material covering the surface to form circuits. The PCB design process needs to consider signal integrity, power management, and thermal management. Precise wiring design ensures that each module works together efficiently and that signal transmission is not interfered with. The PCB manufacturing process includes multiple steps, such as copper lamination, etching, drilling, and soldering. Each step is critical to ensure the precise placement of signal lines and the stable connection of components in order to handle complex 4G signals and data. Router PCB are usually designed in multiple layers. Each layer has specific functions to ensure high-speed transmission of signals, stable power supply, and low-power operation of the device. The PCB automated soldering process ensures high-precision component connections, like the processor, SIM card slot, RF module, and antenna interfaces, which are key to achieving a stable signal in a 4G SIM router. After production, PCB are subjected to rigorous quality testing, including electrical testing and signal integrity testing, to ensure that each board can work stably in complex environments. The high-quality PCB not only determines the performance of the 4G SIM card router, but also ensures the stability and durability of the device in a variety of complex environments, where it excels in both indoor networking and outdoor wireless connectivity. With the rapid development of 5G, EOT, and AI technologies, PCB will continue to evolve to support higher frequency bands, faster network speeds, and more possibilities for smart living. To learn more, please contact us. We are committed to providing our customers with high-quality M2M IoT communication products to help technology innovation and open up unlimited possibilities.